Alright, I'm getting ready to install the rear pistons on this brake caliper. And there was some residue. There was like some black residue on here and on several of the pistons. And I ended up using, I tried a few things, but what ended up working for me was using these scuffing pads. I started out with the 360s and then I finished them off with the 800. And they came out really clean. They came out really clean. So here's one of the pistons. Here's the other piston. I sort of see something here, but it's a lot better than it was, and I'm ready to install them. So like I said, these are the rear pistons. This is the brake fluid I'm using. And so what I am going to do is actually I'm gonna pour it over the piston. Ooh. I think I might have got distracted talking to you guys. I wanted to clean off any residue that might be on here, any little metal particles from the sanding process or the from the scuffing pads that I used. And I'm also trying to keep it on keep the clean edge clean, and keep this as the edge that's going to be on the outside on the pads. And so what I'm going to do now is install it, and maybe hopefully it will go right in. This is to catch the extra for me. I could use it. Oof. It's a little bit more than I wanted to come out. I'm trying to keep the brake fluid closed since it's hygroscopic. Just try to keep it clean and pure as much as possible. And now I guess I will try to install this, or I will install it live. And hopefully it'll go right in without any problems, because it's getting late. I have to be up super early for work tomorrow. But I do want to finish this. The weather's getting nice. I want to maximize my riding time. So there's that. Let's try to get this in straight. Oh yeah. So it's in now. See if I could just push that in. Seems to be going. Oh yeah, it's going. On one of the pistons I use my hex key and socket to rotate it around, and the other one just popped in. This is kind of hard, so I might try to use this what is it? Sixteen millimeter socket. I don't think it won't even fit. It's not the right one. Anyways, this is for the larger pistons. So let me get rid of that. Let me get this over here. This is for the smaller pistons. Probably won't fit. Oh, it does fit. All right. So since it's being a little bit difficult, let's see if we can, let's see if I can massage it in. So what I'm going to try to do is just turn it smoothly. Going pretty good. The socket, I couldn't get it in with my hands. Just going back and forth. Hopefully the next piston pops right in. And I don't even have to use this. I doubt if I'm going to be able to push it in by hand, but I kind of want to try. See if I can push it in now. Nah. I'm going to go back to the socket and Allen key technique. Maybe if I put a little downward pressure on it while I'm twisting it, it'll pull in. Anyways, I don't have a lot of memory in my phone, so this video might stop at any moment. Hopefully you got an idea of the process in case the video stops. I'm trying to be smooth. I'm just comparing to that other side. See if I got it in enough. Because it is very tight. Oh, here we go. That seems to be working. Close, very close. It's almost in to the same height as this guy, which that's a good height. Oh yeah, it's there, it's close, very close now. Ready to stop and go to the other side. I might go to the other side, see if I can get it in. If the other one pops in easily. It's very close. All right, all right, all right. So here's the other piston. Here's the other piston. Maybe I'll just use this fluid that's in here already. Maybe put a little bit of fluid on the seals. See how that goes. See if that pops right in. That would be pretty awesome if it did. I might just throw this in there just in case it doesn't. It doesn't want to go. Okay, so see how this goes. There we go. I think it's going now. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Maybe, maybe not. Ooh, my glove is broken.